Let's walk through Tesla's contribution to some of the funds that it's already in.
Yeah, Tesla's had a big price swing this week, and it's still a relatively small weighting in the broad market indices. We did see its position gain the most in the Qs and Vanguard's Consumer Discretionary Fund VCR, but in the Russell 1000, it's still less than 0.5% of the weighting. So a modest impact there, but it really brought to our attention why Tesla isn't in the S&P 500 yet.
Yeah, why is that, Morgan? I mean, we've been talking about how the S&P would have looked very different this week, and so would Tesla if it had been in the S&P.
So for its composite indices, S&P uses a financial viability criteria, which they define as, for the sum of the past 4 quarters have to have positive GAAP earnings as well as the most recent quarter. So this is really sort of a quality screen. The S&P Index Committee uses discretion, but they want to see that a company is mature enough after having IPO'd and traded more than a year, after satisfying liquidity requirements. They're really looking at profitability and determining, based on that, whether a company can be included in its composite indices, which include the S&P 500. So we think this is the main reason Tesla hasn't been added yet. But this is really going to come to a fore as most of the companies that IPO'd last year, especially tech companies, don't have profitable forecasts. Pinterest, obviously, investors responded positively yesterday after earnings, but it's one of those companies that doesn't look like it's going to have a profitable full year through 2022. And so these rules are going to come up to the fore.